666.
Saudi Arabia launches TAWAKKALNA Services app. The Saudi Data and Artificial Intelligence Authority has launched a new app, TAWAKKALNA Services, to help improve the quality of life in the kingdom. It provides 140 services that cover health, education, transport, Islamic and public services, and entertainment through 40 strategic partnerships. These include rendering a driver's license, insurance documentation, passport inquiries and requests, a digital wallet approved by government agencies, charitable donations, data correction, and information verification.
You know, if you ask Saudis, they would probably say that this deserves more than just the attention given to it by a Yella discussion, because this is a absolutely life-changing, game-changing technology that has been launched. It's actually a very similar to the original app, which was used during the pandemic, really proven during the pandemic. But the options under each section have increased and are now more detailed. People can also buy things like event tickets, event services. I mean, it's 140 services with this app. That's amazing. It basically replaces your wallet and is on your phone. And a lot of the Saudis we've talked to, including Amr Khashoggi, has said, this is, holds up his phone. This is my new wallet. This is my new passport. This is everything to me. So really a tech forward move. It's really cool.
Yeah, there are 27 million users of the TAWAKKALNA app, the original. And they've the SDAIA has really encouraged people to download this one and move into it full force. It's going to be interesting because, Abshur, which was introduced in 2015 by the Ministry of Interior and has 160 e-services, there must be some overlap. And it'll be interesting if they end up merging this somehow, or if they keep them separate. I don't know the full extent of overlap. Maybe it's not consequential, but the Saudi government's use of e-government and e-services has been remarkable and swift and decisive. And as you mentioned, you referred to Umar and many other Saudis, has been transformative to how people do business, how people go about their day. It's just, and also with regard to pandemic, which is a different TAWAKKALNA app, managed its health issues. It's just been, it's been a real added value to the day in the life of a Saudi.
This is MBS. I mean, this is MBS through and through. Tech, streamlining things, getting rid of clutter, making it easier for Saudis to do what they want to do. People can criticize MBS and the leadership of the Saudi government until they're blue in the face. This is a absolutely meaningful deliverable for all Saudis. Do you know if we can get it as like Americans? Like, can I go to the App Store and try to get it and sign up for it? Is it like, does it cross borders, or is it just for Saudis?
I think anybody who needs to do these things in Saudi Arabia can use it. There are identification issues. If you're a citizen, for example, passport and this sort of thing. So I don't know exactly to the extent of a non-Saudi can use it. Mm-hmm. I do know the TAWAKKALNA app was used in 65 countries, the original. So it's clearly adaptable across country borders and different populations. So I have to say yes.
Well, Richard, I may need the rest of the day off because I'm going to go to the App Store after this, and I'm going to mess around with it and see what I can do. I mean, this is kind of amazing that this type of tech doesn't exist in the U.S. And honestly, I don't really see it happening very soon because we have 50 states, all these different counties. Going to the DMV, for example, where I am in Maryland, is still very analog.
I remember visiting my sister in Shanghai in 2016, 2017, whatever, and my first exposure to WeChat, which is a comprehensive, digital tool that does basically everything. And it seems like Saudi Arabia is heading in that direction. And that's why I wonder if Abshur and TAWAKKALNA will be merged at some point.
Fascinating. Congrats to them for the launch. That's really cool. 27 million users.